Hello, you are welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make oatmeal hair masks for that glowing healthy hair. And our first ingredient to this amazing hair mask is oatmeal. I'll be using the powdered one, okay, the blended one. And you can see it's written down here 100% oatmeal powder, okay, that is it. And oatmeal, when it comes to hair fall, oatmeal is one ingredient you need to have. You need to eat it. You need to, do anything you want to do with oatmeal because it contains antioxidant and omega-6 fatty acid. And for this hair mask, we'll be using 2 tablespoons of oatmeal powder. Okay, it's when if you're having hair fall, hair itching, this hair mask is for you. And I will be adding 1 tablespoon of honey. Honey is a very great way to moisturize your hair. If you are having dry scalp, itching scalp, dandruff, this hair mask is for you. And I will go ahead to mix it very well because oatmeal. And while I mix it, I'll be adding warm water. Okay, I'll be using warm water to do this. I'll be mixing it, to make sure it's very smooth. Then I have to go in with my hand blender. I'm going to blend it till it's very, very smooth. The omega-6 fatty acid that is in oatmeal helps to prevent hair fall. If your hair is damaged beyond repair, this is a hair mask you need to be using. You can use it once in a week or anytime you want to wash your hair. Make sure you wash your hair with a natural hair mask to revive all those damaged hair. Oatmeal has been used over generations to help prevent or to treat dry skin conditions. Okay, so if you're having a dry scalp, oatmeal hair mask is the best for you. It will leave your hair manageable. It will leave your hair shining, with when you mix it with honey. These 2 ingredients is all you need to fight that dandruff. Okay, and normally anytime I prepare my hair masks, I always want to show you guys how to use it, to show you guys that I actually use it. And today I'll be using it on my daughter's hair. We all in my house, we've been on natural hair journey now for like 2 years. You can see how her hair is. Anything you guys see on this channel that I use on my hair, I use it on my kids' hair. Okay, they are all natural, they are kids friendly. Okay, they are not harmful. All this while the ones I've been using, I've not received any complaint. Okay, which means is kids friendly. Okay, you just go ahead, make sure you take the hair mask to the scalp of your hair, then you massage it through to the strands of your hair. Okay, that is just basically what I'll be doing to her. And I did this when I have already washed and conditioned her hair. And then when I finish, I'll still go and wash it again and condition it again. Yeah, to make sure the hair is clean and all that. When you massage your hair like this, you help the hair follicles to open up and your hair will receive moisture. Okay, with the honey and the oatmeal, the hair will just look so beautiful and healthy. And even if your hair is healthy, you've got to keep it in order. You need to maintain your hair. Okay, and when you have all these natural stuffs on your hair, guys, you are going to love your natural hair. And I'm loving this their natural hair and my own. So if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please, I would like you to consider that. Okay, subscribe, share our video, give it a thumbs up if you like the video, and if you found this video helpful, please let me know in the comments. Okay, I will really appreciate that. I have a lot of stuffs I have in stock for you guys, and I'll be really glad to share them here with you. Leave me your comment. Okay, and if you have any question you want to ask me with regards to this video, please feel free to do that down the comments. Okay, it will be a pleasure to respond to the questions, okay, to the best of my ability. Yeah, thank you so much and God bless you. Okay, keep watching. This is all about love for natural hair, and remember, every hair texture is beautiful. Every hair texture is beautiful. It's a matter of just the what you want or the one that is convenient for you. Okay, for me, I love their natural hair. Before now, they were on relaxed hair myself, but for over 2 years now, going to 3 years, we wanted to have our natural hair, and ever since then, it has been from one level of progress to another, and this is basically it. And she is loving it. See how the hair is bouncing. This hair is so healthy and I love it. You can see she loves her hair. She's loving her hair. She's so happy. She's loving her hair and I love her hair. You can see the hair is just well moisturized. Okay, right now I'm going to wrap it and I will cover the hair for like 30 minutes before I go to wash it off, okay, to make sure that the hair receive all the ingredients I've given it, okay. The scalp will be able to absorb all those nutrients, all those zinc, protein, from the ingredients I've given it, okay, so that the hair will keep looking healthy. Thank you so much, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and leave us your comments. Thank you.